How to turn off shuffle in Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can turn off shuffle for Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated this Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Spotify app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Now if you want to turn off shuffle, and let's say that I select a random playlist, so if I just go ahead and then select a random playlist over here, once I select this playlist, if I want to turn on or off shuffle, you can see this button over here. The issue over here seems to be that when you play a particular song, and when this song ends, instead of playing the next song, it just plays any of the random songs from playlist. So basically, if you turn this, it means that the shuffle is on. If you turn this off, it means that it's going to play in order. So let's turn this on and see. First of all, we'll go to the end of the song directly, and we'll just go ahead and end the song. So as you can see, instead of playing the next song after the first song, it basically played a random song from the playlist over here. So as you can see, all the way to the bottom. If you want to fix this, just make sure to turn off this particular feature. However, the problem over here is that this feature is only available for premium users on Spotify. Unfortunately, previously it used to work, but now it doesn't work anymore because only premium users has this feature, and free users will not be able to turn off shuffle. You have to listen to a random song from the playlist which you have set. So instead, if I just go ahead and show you my plan over here, I go to my library, I go to my section, I go to premium plan, and you can see that I have a premium individual plan currently. So if I also just go ahead and show you the feature, you can see this one over here that says play any songs in any order with unlimited skips. So as you could basically see, it basically says that you can go ahead and then play any song in any order, which means the shuffle order, whether you want to play it serially or whether you want to play it randomly. But unfortunately, this is the way it works. There's really no other way to go through it. Hopefully this video helped answer that question and clear your confusion as to why you're not being able to turn off shuffle. That is because free users do not have access to all of the features on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.